traders. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. NVIDIA is really pushing up during pre-market, pushing up the rest of the market as well. Looks like it's going to be a very interesting day on the S&P and NASDAQ. As always, please like, subscribe, comment. It'll be greatly appreciated. But without further ado, let's get into it. So the big levels I'm going to be watching on SPX, I'm going to be watching the gap fills at 45.38.70, 45.48.18, or no, 45.48.16. And then there's going to be one more gap fill that I'm going to be going over on SPY. SPY seemed to give a little bit more of a clearer direction on it. But on the NASDAQ, the two gap fill trades I'm going to be watching as well is going to be 14.202.73 and 14.287.2. On SPY, what I'm going to be watching on SPY is if we can continue to push up, I'm going to be watching a push above 455.12. If we get a push above 455.12, then I'll be entering in calls personally. If we reject it, I'm going to wait for confirmation before entering in short. On QQQ, what I'm going to be watching is going to be this 391.41 level. If we can push above that, I will enter long on calls. Whichever one gives the better confirmation, whether it's SPY or QQQ, I'll enter long on those. But the big thing I want you guys to keep in mind, if we turn off the pre-markets, let's just do that quickly. What you're going to notice is price action becomes a lot clearer. So if we broke above this level, I was watching a move over to 455. We had a nice clear move upward. Now the big thing was, originally I didn't have these lines in, the orange ones, because those were gap fill trades from the last 2 days. So the second that we broke this down, that would have been a nice long position over to 455.12. What I would like to watch on SPY is if we break above that 455.12, I think that'll line you up nicely for a move to 456.47. If we can clear that gap fill from August 1st, then it'll be a nice clear move to 460, personally, is what I think. But just keep in mind that you just got to trade level to level and watch the price action on the triple Qs. Same kind of deal. If we can clear 391.41, nice move upward. And then you can see here, the second that we cleared this, you got nice confirmation, nice retest of the level, and then a nice push upwards to 391.41. But watch those gap fills on the triple Qs, NASDAQ, and the S&P. Now, in terms of my long-term position holds, let's see where Walmart is. So Walmart is currently, so it's not doing bad. We'll put on the position trading. So we got the 200 EMA and SMA. As I was saying in yesterday's video, I put my stop loss on the other side of that, so that's going out nicely. So, and then I took Coca-Cola on the weekly. I really liked how it was starting to hold support on the 200 EMA and SMA, so I put my stop loss on the other side of it. As you can see here, it's respected it the last few years, so I assume that was just an overreaction to earnings, and hedge funds were just selling off, maybe, who knows, but it remounted the 200 EMA and SMA, so I'm expecting a push up higher to 68 a share on Coca-Cola. And then McDonald's, it's trading at 282 pre-market, so it's going to put us right around here-ish. So that'll be a nice move up. We'll turn this to the daily just to see what we're dealing with here. So 282 is going to be right here. So that'll be a nice push upwards. We're starting to mount the 200 EMA and the SMA. Now I did sell off $20,000 worth of McDonald's, put the $10,000 to Coca-Cola and $10,000 Walmart. So those are going to be the stocks I'm looking at long term, and those are going to be the short term trades I'm looking at for today. But good luck.